Good morning, children. Now I want to explain example 2 from page number 197. If you take example 2 from page number 197, the weights of 50 oranges picked at random from a basket of oranges are given below. So here the raw data are given. So what is the raw data given here? The 50 observations they are having 35, 45, 55 like that, so on they give 50. So now children, now we want to convert into a group frequency distribution table. So this is a raw data which are having 50 observations. So it is very difficult to see pick each oranges and tell to what is the weight. So it is better to prepare a frequency distribution table. How you prepare frequency distribution table? If you want to prepare frequency distribution table, children, first you have to find to present such amount large of data and make sense it. We make groups like 30 to 39, 40 to 49, like that. So these groups are called classes or class intervals, and their size is called length of the class or length of the class width. So children, to present a large amount of data, generally we have to divide it into group intervals, groups. These groups are called classes or class intervals, and size are called, and their size is called length of the class width. Here if you take 30 to 39, 39 to 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, like that you have to take. So 30 to 39, 40 to 49, like that. If you take classes means, if you take classes 30 to 39, 42, 49, 52, 59, 62, 69, 72, 79, 82, 89, 92, 99, 100 to 109, 110 to 119. If you take these classes, these are classes called inclusive classes. What you call it? One, inclusive classes, or simply non-continuous classes. So if you divide this group into a, like group 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 99, 19 to 9, like that. These classes are called, these classes are called inclusive classes, are called inclusive classes, inclusive classes. So inclusive classes we call that one, or non-overlapping classes also we call it, or non-overlapping classes, non-overlapping classes. So this is very important. These classes are called inclusive classes. ENCLUSIV, inclusive. Children, now we have to prepare group frequency distribution table. Means after deciding the class interval, we have to make tally marks. You know how you make tally marks. So if you see the textbook, what is the first value you are having? If you see, if your children, if you observe, what is the first value you are having? So if you are having the first value is 35. Yes, understand everyone? See, so where is 35? 35 lies between 30 and 39. So you have to take tally mark here. Next value 45. Where is 45? This is here 45. Next 55. So with using pencil make tally marks. So first value 35 I kept, next 45 I kept, next value 55. So this is like between 50 to 59. Next 50. So this is 50. Next value 30. Where 30? This is 30 is here. Next value 110. Where is 110? So this is 110. After 110, next value is 95. Where is 95? 95 is between 90 to 95, 99. Next value 40. Where is 40? This is 40. Next value 70. Where is 70? This is 70. Next value 100. Where is 100? This is 100. Next 60. Where is 60? This is 60. Next 80. Where is 80? This is 80. Next 85. Where is 85? This is 85. So 85 after 60. Where it is 60? This is 60. 60 after 52 is there. This is 52. Next 95. Where is 95? This is 95. Next 98. Here also 98 is there. Next 35. Here 35. Next 47. 45 is there. 47. 45. Where is 47? This is 47. Next this is, where is 45? This is 45. Next 105. Where is 105? Between 100 to 100. This is 105. Next 90. Where it is 90? 90 means this is here 90. 90 after 30, 50, 75. 30 is there, 50 is there, 75. 30. Where is 30? This is 30. 50. This is 50. 75. 75 lies between here 75. So 30, 50, 75 completed. Next 95, 85, 80. Where is 95? This is 95. So already 4 strokes are there. So you have to keep 95 as like that. 95. After that one 85. Where is 85? Between 80 to 89. So 85. Next 80, 35, 45. So 80, 35. So this is 35. Next 45. So 45. 80, 35, 45 completed. Next 40, 50, 60 is there. This is 40, 50, 60. 40, 50, 60. So 40, 50, 60 completed. Next 65, 55, 45. Where is 65? 65, 55, 45. So this is 45. 65, 55, 45. This is also completed. Next 30, 90, 115. This is 30, 90, 115. Next 65, 60, 40 there. 65, 65, 60, again 40 there. 40 after 100, 55, 75. 100, 55 is here, 75 is here. Next 110. 110 is, this is 110. 110 after 85. Where is 85? It lies between 80 and 89. So fifth tally mark like that, 85. Next 95. 95 means it lies between 90 and 99. So this is 95. Next 55. 55 means between 50 and, so 55. Last one is 50 again. So total you will get, these are how to make tally marks, already learnt in 8th class. So between 30 means that 30 to 31, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 38, 39. You have to keep here tally marks like that. So after that one you will get the frequency. So children, how you get frequency means, if you count the tally marks, so frequency is first one 6, next one 8, 9, 6, 3, 5, 7, 3, 3. If you add all these, you will get total 50 children. So this is how to make class interval. So already you are familiar with this one, how to make class intervals. So these are classes 32, 39, 42, 49, 52, 59. These are called inclusive classes. Inclusive classes are non-overlapping classes. Non-overlapping classes. So generally, if you take 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, like that, these classes are called inclusive classes. These classes are called inclusive classes. So here the difference between two consecutive lower limits or two consecutive upper limits is called a class size. So generally this is 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59. These are inclusive classes. So inclusive classes means generally for inclusive classes, class size is equal to difference between two consecutive lower limits or upper limits. Class size is equal to difference between two consecutive lower limit or upper limit. Children, in this class 30 to 39 is called class interval. Class is called 30 to 39 is called class 30 to 39 is called class interval. 30 to 39 is called class interval. So here 30 to in 30 to 39, this is called lower limit. This is called upper limit. So this is called lower limit, this is upper limit. So children, this is 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, and so on. These are called inclusive classes. For inclusive classes, class size is equal difference between two consecutive lower limits or upper limits. So in 30 to 39, it is called class interval. 30 to 39 is called class interval. These are called class interval. In this, 30 is called lower limit and 39 is called upper limit. So class size is equal. So what are the class intervals we are having? We are having 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, like that. So class size is equal to you are having difference between two consecutive lower limits or upper limit. So this is 40 minus 30 is equal to 10, you can say. Class size is equal to 10, you can say. So children, anybody want to convert into a grouped frequency distribution table means we have to first prepare class intervals. First you have to prepare class interval. Class interval after tally marks after frequency you will get. So children, everybody having doubts, sir, how you prepare class intervals, from where you have to start? Generally they will ask. So you are having procedure to convert into group frequency distribution table. How you procedure means you are having procedure. What is the procedure means? First you have to calculate range. So how you calculate range is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. Range is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. Children, first you have to select what is the minimum value and maximum value. Second thing, children, we have to select class size. You have to select class size. So class size means you have to take generally 5 or 10 or 20, anything, 5 or 15 or 20, depending anything you have to take anything class size. After selecting the class size, you will get number of classes. So number of classes is equal to range by class size. So range by class size, you have to select that one. Number of classes is equal to range by class size. Generally number of classes will be 6, more than 6 to 15. So you have to VG means that is be easy to understand, and the table will be glance to see everyone. So children, these are three steps you have to follow when you want to make grouped frequency distribution table. First you have to find range. What is range is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. Second one, class size. Generally class size you have to take 5 or 10 or depending on the data. Depending on the data you have to set the maximum value of this one, minimum value of this one. So you will get that one. After that one automatically you will get number of classes. Number of classes is equal to formula range by class size. Number of classes is equal range by class size. So after that one you have to prepare table. So children, in this problem directly I started here. What is the, so if you take in this problem, if you take example, what is the smallest value? First 30 is there. So children, the smallest value you are having in example 2, if you want to procedure start that one. So in example 2 again explain that one. Example 2, first by observing the data, smallest value is equal to what you are having 30. Smallest value you are having 30. Next largest value is equal to you are having from this problem example 2, if you have understand that is largest value you are having 115. The largest value having 115. Therefore already I told range is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. So largest anything same only. Largest value range is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. That is 115 minus 30. 115 minus 35. 11 minus 3. You will get 85. So you get range. So this is the first step 1. Step 1. After the children, I told to step 2 decide the class size. So generally 85 means less than 85. If this is 85 means it is better to take class size 10. So you have to take class size is equal to 10. If more than 50 there means take class size as 10, no problem. More than 50 there means. So class size is equal to 10. After that one, step 3 is equal to, already I told, number of classes is equal to, how you get range by class size. Number of classes is equal to range by class size. So that is 85 by 10. That is 8.5. That is 9 classes approximately. 9 classes. So this is the step how to first start with this step children. How to find smallest value, next largest value. How to find range. Range is equal to maximum value minus minimum value. 115 minus 10. Next step to select a class size. Class size is equal to choose yourself. Choose yourself. Generally it is more than 50 means select 10. After that one, number of class is equal to range by class size. 85 by 10 equal to 8.5. After that one 9. After that one you have to start with the smallest value or anything you have to play. So after that one you have to write first 30. You are taking class as 40, that's why 10, that's why 30. First you have to write how many 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 classes you will get. Already told you how many classes you will get. 9 classes. So have to 1 2 3 4 9 class. 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100 110. Here you will get 30 39 you will get, because you are writing exclusive classes. 30 to 39. Next you will get 40 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, like that you will get that. So if anybody got a number 40, 59 means you have to write 59 here and make tally marks. So after that one frequency. So children, first you have to do these steps. After doing this one you will get table. So this is the first step. First step after you are getting table. So what is table? This table you will get 30 to 39, 40 to 49, like that table you will get. So children, This is how to make using class intervals, exclusive classes. So exclusive classes after we are going to discuss about inclusive class after we have to discuss about exclusive classes. Children, again I am saying that one, if you want to find grouped frequency distribution table, first step you have to write from the data smallest value, largest value, after that one range you have to find, after that one step to class size you have to select yourself, after that one number of class is equal range by class size, so you get 9 classes. After that one you get the table, after that one table you have to draw this table. This is the table, already in the beginning I explained. So this is called a grouped frequency distribution table. These classes are called exclusive classes. These classes are called exclusive classes. So sorry, inclusive classes. These classes are called inclusive classes. How you make inclusive class, already I am telling. So list value started from 30 means 30. You have to class size 10 means 30. First you write lower limits. First you write lower limit 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 like that. After that one 32, you will get 39, you will get here. So 49, 59, 69, 119 you will get. If you add, if you after keeping all observation, if you add total also 50. So this is the children how to make a grouped frequency distribution table. Okay, thank you.